Hey, hi, so I'm making chewy chocolate cookies for the first time, and this will also be my first time baking something. So here are the ingredients. I have 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and then I already sifted the flour, baking powder, and salt. And then I have brown sugar and white sugar, in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. What else? Vanilla essence, because I can't find vanilla extract here, and butter. Okay. I'm so excited how this will turn out. Completely melted the butter. Now I'm gonna mix in brown sugar and white sugar. Just stir it. All the recipes that I have is ready until it's smooth and creamy. It's already creamy. 2, 3, and 4. Alright. Okay. And gonna mix it again. Stir, stir, stir. Oh, I'm loving the texture. It looks like 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. I like the smell. It smells good. When I was in high school, I used to wear perfumes with vanilla scent on it, so I like vanilla, the scent of vanilla. It's just so sweet. But now that I like it, I'm gonna pass like that. It has too sweet for me because I'm dry ingredients, which are flour, baking powder, and salt. So I'm just gonna add gradually because I'm scared actually. Wait, I'm blocking the view. I'm scared, but just gonna go with it. Okay. I'm done. Oh, I keep messing up. I'm sorry. No, doing this makes me feel like I'm a baker. I'm a baker, literally baker. It's very Italian. My dad used to be a baker. And has some help in dessert. And I'm still ready. And have some help in dessert. Yeah. So just mix it up. And then this is good. And mix it in the second batch. Yep, more. And mix it again. Honestly, my right arm hurts now for constant. Oh no, mess up again. So my arm right now kind of hurts for constant stirring. But it's alright because I just do this. I mean, nobody asked me to bake chocolate chip cookies. It was my decision. I have to do this and face the consequences. This is my decision. So, yeah, but I love it. No, looking at the dough, like, makes me happy. It's therapeutic for me. Oh, look at that. But I think my dough is a bit wet. Is this the right consistency? Okay, let me just, okay, so let me taste this one. This is how cookies look. It's actually so good. Well, then I'm gonna put on 2 cups of semi-sweetened chocolate chips. Wow, I love this. This is so fun. So I thought now it's gonna so fun. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited to make this one, and just really looking forward to how this will turn out. I hope it will turn out great because I spent money on the ingredients. It smells so freaking amazing. But yummy. My cookie dough kind of looks like pancake mix. But trust the process, right? It looks like pancake mix, but once I did it, it's gonna be the best chewy chocolate chip cookie ever. Let's do it. Here are my cookies. They're done. Wow, so yeah, I made a mistake because for my first look at that, oh, it's so good. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. Yeah. This one, it's huge, right? It's really huge, so I'm gonna take a bite from this cookie. Look at that. It's so good, guys. I'm so proud of myself. It's good, really. So, for my first ever cookies, I think I did a great job. So, yeah, this is my cookies.